Introduction about how to sell indexed universal life insurance. There are many different ways to sell an indexed universal life policy. This audiobook will walk you through how to leverage a supplemental life insurance retirement by using an indexed universal life insurance policy. This presentation style isn't for beginners and takes practice to master. It's more of a general framework. You are going to need to fill in the details. What I have found is that most consumers appreciate the education. So in this audiobook, you will find that we focus a lot on education and leverage that time spent by educating a client. We do a needs analysis and create a customized solution, assuming that the client needs a supplemental life insurance retirement plan based on what we find during the qualifying process. After listening this audiobook, you should have a more comprehensive understanding the following. Number 1. How an indexed universal life insurance policy is supposed to work. Number 2. Understanding how the indexed universal life fits within a client portfolio. Number 3. Why you should sell indexed universal life insurance and why clients may need them. Number 4. Common objections and ways around them. Number 5. How an indexed universal life insurance can bridge gaps in retirement plans. Number 6. Possible tax implications for a client. Number 7. The pros and cons of using life insurance as part of a retirement plan. Number 8. A simple process for selling life insurance. As we talk about indexed universal lives, remember a lot of the work we have to do is setting the stage properly. Traditional pension systems are falling and predicated to have near and long-term shortfalls. So, as a normal person who hopes to retire someday, how can we take advantage of current laws and financial technology? How can we leverage insurance products to tip the scales of retirement in our favor? Question: what is an indexed universal life insurance policy? An indexed universal life insurance policy gives the policyholder the opportunity to allocate cash value amounts to either a fixed account or an equity indexed account. Indexed policies offer a variety of popular indexes to choose from, such as the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100 Investopedia. In other terms, a client is purchasing a life insurance policy that also has investment components that accumulates cash value. A more consumer-facing explanation: what happened to the value of the 401k and the stock market in 2008? Trillions of dollars in value were lost in the span of months. Every 10 to 20 years or so, the marketplace of ideas creates a new and more robust form of retirement vehicle or retirement strategy. The market expands, contracts, and then adjusts. Brief history and background of the indexed universal life insurance. Indexed universal life insurance was offered first by Transamerica in 1997 and is now currently offered by over 34 life insurance companies. The indexed universal life is probably the fastest growing product in the financial services sector and is evolving to meet market needs. An indexed universal life insurance plan was the upshot or next evolution in the family of universal life insurance. The product overall is evolving constantly to meet accumulation concerns and distribution concerns. Each year we see new rate caps, new interest rate locks, different indexes, changing death benefit of etc. The predecessor to the indexed universal life was the variable universal life or variable universal life insurance policy.